Hey guys, what's going on? Great BTC here, and the markets are moving like crazy right now. So I thought I should come live and share with you guys some of my thoughts and what I'm doing and some of my positions that I'm taking. So this is meant to be a quick live stream. I'm not going to take too much time, but I think it'll give you an idea of what I'm thinking of because the markets are moving like crazy right now. And Elon Musk is also moving the market. I might make a specific video on that, but for now, let's just stick to trading and what's going on in the market. Okay, don't forget to like. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes because YouTube now has the 1,000 likes rule. And also, let's get subscribed if you haven't. Destroy the subscribe button right now. But in other news, Elon Musk already right now as we speak, it's clear, but in the recent filings, it's showing that they have sold their Bitcoin, which is crazy, and it's partly why crypto has been falling because these guys have been selling on the low. So I think this news might take the market down a little bit, especially that it's a weekend, and I'm going to make my trades based on what's going on at the moment. So these are short-term trades that I'm making, and you're watching Crypto Hustle. Destroy the like button. So this is what we're looking at on the weekly, but I'm not concerned. Today, I'm only going to focus on the daily and the 4 hour because that's where I'm basing my trades on at the moment. So if you look at the current Bitcoin standing, it looks something like this. We sort of broke out completely out of this zone, out of this stack zone that we were in, and now we are outside. However, there is potential that over this weekend we might dip in there, especially considering the news that is going on right now. We have already seen two red candles. Yesterday was red on the volume and today as well. And I think because the weekend also crypto usually tend to dip a little bit more, I think we might see ourselves revisiting this area again in here, especially around the mid 21,500 ranges. And if this happens, it's going to push down so many other coins like GST, which I'm trading personally. So let's go back to Bitcoin before we make a trade. You can see here we have, I'll turn on the Nitrous Bull. Okay, you can see that even though this is the case, Bitcoin is bullish on the daily. 2 days ago, it went bullish on Nitrous Bull after a long time. So do not sleep on it, even though things look a little bit shady right now. There is good potential that this Bitcoin is still a full cent. So I have a long position on BTC since the bullish candle came in. But on the short term, right now, I will take a short position from where it's at now down to the red level range, especially 21,500 levels and things like that. I will do the same on GMT as well. So GMT is bullish at the moment, but if Bitcoin is getting a little bit shaked, I will take a short position on it as well. And on MATIC, I want to buy more on MATIC. But right now on the 4 hour, you can see that it has already gone red bearish. So what I will do, I want to buy a little bit more. I think we're more likely to revisit this. If Bitcoin goes down to 21,500, MATIC is more likely to face this level of 75 to 77 area. So that's how I'm going to plot my trades. So let me show you the first one that I'm going to do. It's this one here on BTC. However, the thing is, there is not too much money for me to be made on Bitcoin to short it. But anyway, I will do it. I will go from here, where it's at now. Let me use a short position too. So I will take it from where it's at now down to sort of the point of control is my ideal TP. And at the top here, I will base it on the, okay, now it's 22,963, technically. Okay, so I will base it on if it hits the last high that it hit yesterday, which was right here, 5% above is 24,155. So for me to get stopped out, Bitcoin has to hit back that level again. And here at the bottom, we're looking at 20,894 as an ideal range of TP. So, this is the first trade that I'm going to make. So it's short. But again, I do have a long position on BTC, just so that you know, because Nitrous Bull is showing you that on the daily, it's still bullish. And I'll go back to the 4-hour and show you right here that even at the 4-hour, Bitcoin is still bullish on the Nitrous Bull indicator. You can check it out. Even though the MACD has fallen off and it's now showing to be bearish a little bit. So, this is why I'm taking a short-term short position. So back to Bybit. I'm using Bybit to trade. You can also sign up on Bybit. It takes less than 1 minute to sign up. No need for KYC if you're not gonna withdraw a maximum of up to 2 Bitcoins at a time. You don't need KYC or anything like that. So I bring in BTC USDT perpetual, and this is gonna be a conditional situation because I will enter. Let's see. So right now it's standing at 22,968. It's a little bit above the water. So, okay, here we go. So I'll give it 22,990. If it comes down from where it's at now to 22,990, that's where I would like to enter this trade. So trigger price 22,990 is a conditional order because you always have to be careful. And order price can be the same. That's the beauty of Bybit, that there is a lot of liquidity. So you don't have to oversell yourself by taking the positions you don't want to do. Okay, the leverage is 5x, which I'm okay with. Order price. Okay, I don't have enough funds here, so let me transfer a little bit more money into this account. Okay, I'm gonna send in 10K for this trade, $10,000. Here we go. Yeah, so for this trade, I will. Okay, and it's an isolated position, as I always recommend. I will go in at 5x and open short. Actually, we can just put a take profit directly, just to encourage more good behavior when we're doing these things. You need good discipline. So based on this chart, we say our stop loss is our take profit is 20,899. The IDEO is 2899, and stop loss. The stop loss is 24,193. 24,193. All right. Again, this is a conditional order, and I'll execute it and confirm. Here we go. So you can see we got one conditional position right here. And another coin that I'm trading that I'm really, really curious about, I've been making money trading this. I've been making quite good money, is GMT. So it is bullish. So on Nitrous Bull is saying bullish again. So you don't want to go bearish on it on the long term, right? You can place short-term trades. My premise is just that on weekends, crypto tend to go a little bit bearish. So today we're on Thursday. We might go a little bit bearish as we go. And as you can see, 3 candles ago, Nitrous Bull already went bearish on it, on GMT. So, why would I not just take advantage of that? If this continues, I could make some money. There is potential short term of going to 90 cents down to this point. It has already broken this down, tested it before. And I think we're more likely to revisit this area here. But if you look on the daily, it's showing that we can go as low as 77, right? So here, this is the ideal area that we could go 80 to 77, because there is also a dotted line, green line created by Nitrous Bull, which is showing you there is a level of support there. So right now we're at these prices, but you can see there is resistance at the top and bottom here at 93. There is already a point of support. All right. So because of the bear signal, I'm going short on it right now up until this level. First, as my first TP is 93 cents, and second TP, I'll draw it somewhere around 90, and I can go even third one down to this level here, about 84, ideally, right? So I'll go back into Bybit and GST. GMT, sorry, not GST. So it's already down by 8%, but that's all right, in my opinion. And by the way, this is not financial advice at all. You can see everything I'm doing. I'm putting stop losses already. I'm not going retarded on my trades. I know what I'm doing. Let's transfer a little bit more money. I'll go with a high leverage, but I'll put in more funds to this just to make sure. Actually, I do have enough money to play with, but I'm just going to add a little bit of margin, add 3K. Okay, so here I'm just going to select this. It can be a limit condition. I'm entering right now, and it's going to cost me 3 grand or 3,700. All right, and the leverage, I'll put it down to 3x because it's an altcoin, a low cap altcoin, so you know they can be very volatile, and I don't want to be stupidly stopped because somebody manipulated the price. All right, so we have multiple TPs, but for safety, I'm just going to put one TP and stop loss at the moment. So our stop loss is ideally supposed to be where? GMT is right here. Okay, so right there we go. Okay, it's supposed to be a short. So right there is our trade, and based on this 4-hour analysis, I will put, so what I'm doing, right, you can see I already have a purple line here at $1. So what I'm trying to do here is to say, look, right now it looks bearish that things are going to continuously go down. But if it strikes back that the market is starting to go the other direction, I want to be stopped immediately, right? So I'm not even going to risk it too much on this one. It's pretty much a 25 cents difference in price, in which if it really reverses and go above $1, I will get stopped. Or otherwise, I'm more likely to go all the way down and make some money. So my ideal TP is somewhere around here. The target is around 85 cents. Let's go. No, sorry, it's 89 cents. The first TP could be there. So for safety, I'm just gonna do it like that. So I'll put one. Take profit will be 89, 0.89, and stop loss will be 1.01. Okay, and I will open the short position. Okay, we are already in there, guys. So the position is on, the other one is conditional. And another coin that I want to look at is MATIC. So MATIC looks juicy, even though on Nitrous Bull it has also gone bearish. So all my calls are based on the fact that Nitrous Bull has called it short, and I also know that the weekend's crypto can can go on the way side or to the red side most of the time. So what I want to do here is to create a buy position right here around this area. Right, I want to put a buy wall over here from 76 going all the way down. You can see the next green dotted line, the signal that we have for buying is down to 64 cents according to the Nitrous Bull. By the way, if you don't know what the Nitrous Bull is, it's an indicator that gives you these bull bear signals and support and resistance levels. So if you want to get it, you can find at cryptouniversity.network. Link is in the description. So I'm putting buy orders here. And again, you don't wait for things to happen. You pretty much do these things before time. So you set them up before time. So I'm going to execute these trades right now, set orders, so that when it starts crumbling, and let's say we see another extreme rate day where it's falling quickly and it bounces back up, I'll be able to pick it up all the way down here 3 times. So all I do, this is a spot trade, by the way, this is not a derivative trade. So I will go back to Bybit. Link to Bybit is in the description. If you want to sign up, you use my link. There is $3,500 bonus for those who sign up with my link. So I'll go to spot. And I will go to MATIC. Okay, so if you guys remember, I've taught you before how to use a bot to set up. For example, you have 3 trades that you want to buy. It's very annoying to put 1 trade at a time. So this is why I prefer to just use 3 commas to set up everything in one go. But you know, this is not a video for that, so we're just going to use Bybit as in normal. So let's go back to it. We're saying that our first buying interesting point is 0.765, right? So I want to put a buy order, for example, of, okay, I actually need to add more funds to this because, okay, I see I have money in USDC, but this is a USDT pair. So for the sake of example for you guys, basically all you do is you set the price. Order price, we say 0.765 is where we want to buy, and we want to buy total of our money. And you don't have to worry about stop losses much. And there you go. The order is waiting, and if the price falls down to that point, it will buy for us. All right. So that's all I had for you guys. I just wanted to make some trades and show you guys some of my positions and what I'm doing. So this is pretty much what I'm doing. I'm looking at the critical support levels and bounce backs and the extreme weeks in the positions, and I will make my trades based on that. All right. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I might go live later in the day to talk about the Elon Musk situation and what it means to the market. But in the short term, it has potential of taking down the market because people are more likely to overreact to it. If you appreciate this video, don't be a hater. Destroy the like button. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, destroy the subscribe button as well. And I'll see you guys in the moon. Peace out.